Hi, I'm Bob for the Sausage Maker Inc. Good things come in small packages, right? Today, I've got a little tool that I consider to be a big part in making a great link. This is the Sausage Maker 3-prong pricker. It's used to create tiny holes in the casing after stuffing to allow air to escape. Sure, you could try a toothpick or a fork, but once you've used this pricker, you won't want to go back. It's easy to use. Just gently poke it into the sausage casing a few times at random and at any air pockets you can see. The sausage pricker leaves perforations so small you can barely see them, but they'll keep the casing from bursting during cooking. You can do this during the stuffing process, or you can do it afterward. Just don't forget. We've been selling this product nearly 40 years ago, and it continues to be made here in the USA. It's injection molded from a durable resin and fitted with 3 incredibly sharp, small diameter needles. This is the tool that many of our competitors have imitated, but no one can quite copy. Just toss it in a kitchen drawer and it'll last you a lifetime. We're confident you're going to love this product. If you're not happy, we'll refund your purchase, no questions asked. So make a professional sausage link that won't burst on the barbecue today with the Sausage Maker 3-prong pricker.